There are two kinds of probability, experimental probability and theoretical probability. Sometimes you can find the theoretical probability. So if I had a deck of cards and there were 52 cards, and I wanted to know what's the probability of pulling out a spade. Well, 13 out of the 52 cards are spades, so the probability of pulling out a spade in a regular deck of cards would be 13 out of 52, which I could simplify to 1/4. There are only 4 different suits in cards. Experimental probability is a little bit harder, where I can't actually just think about it. For example, what's the probability that I catch a fish in the pond tomorrow? Well, I don't know how many fish there are or how many times it bites or any of that information. It's nothing I can get theoretically. So what I need to do is gather some data. Using experimental data, how many times I go out, how many times I usually catch a fish, I can predict or come up with a probability that I catch a fish at the next time I go fishing. So if I know that I've fished 100 times and 75 times I've caught a fish, then I would say the probability would be 75 out of 100, or 3/4. It would be a guess based on what I already know about probability.